So in the previous session, we started the concept of data migration techniques, right? We saw how we can simply import the data from our local file to our SAP system. Then we saw the concept of BDC, which works on the principle of screen recording. There we saw the call, transaction, and session method. Now we will see the concept of BAPI. So BAPI. You might have heard this concept even if you are functional also, right? So BAPI stands for Business Application Programming Interface. BAPI stands for Business Application Programming Interface. And what you see in case of BAPI is a technique. BAPI is a technique which is used to conduct a large scale data migration. Which is used to conduct a large scale data migration. Which is used to conduct a large scale data migration. So what is BAPI actually? So BAPIs are nothing but BAPI in the SAP system. BAPIs in the SAP system are implemented as RFC enabled function modules. They are implemented as RFC enabled function modules. So if you all remember, we have seen the concept of function module. Function module is a piece of code, reusable piece of code, which is used to perform certain kind of task. So what SAP has done, they have simply implemented the function modules here as BAPI. And if you open here BAPI, just pass star, you will be seeing lots and lots of BAPIs here. Okay. Yeah. See, lots and lots of BAPI. Every BAPI for their own use case. Right? So SAP has created lots of BAPIs. So what is a BAPI? BAPI is nothing but in SAP system, when a RFC function module is created, RFC function module is combined with the business object, from SWO1. So when a RFC function module is combined with the business object, then a BAPI is created. So BAPIs are function module. Now what you see, a BAPI is always more and more preferable as compared with the BDC for data migration. BAPI is always more preferable as compared to BDC for data migration. Why? The question came here, why it is so, why BAPI is more preferable, right? Why BAPI is more preferable as compared to BDC? Why BAPI is more preferable as compared to BDC? So it is because BDC works on the principle of screen recording. So if you are updating your system, then it can be possible that there will be some change in the latest version, right? In the screen of the latest version. So your previous BDC code might not work on the current version. it can be possible that your previous BDC code might not work on the current version, because what BDC is doing, it is simply working on the principle of screen recording and it is following the same approach. But now if we talk about BAPI, what SAP has told, SAP has promised that they are not going to remove the old BAPIs. So even if there is some new version, even if there is some new version of BAPI, still you will be able to utilize your previous code. You will be able to utilize your previous code in case of BAPI. So this is the importance of a BAPI. Now if we talk about BAPI, lots of BAPI SAP has given. For material, we have BAPI material save data. BAPI material save data. This is BAPI which is used for creating and changing material. So let's see, open this function module. So if you go to attributes tab, you can see here its description as create and change material master data of SAP system. Then if you check another BAPI for PO, purchase order, so BAPI BO create one. For every module there is definitely you are going to see one BAPI. So PO, purchase order, create purchase order, function group name here is 2012, and this is BAPI in the enjoy purchase order. Perfect.